If you ask most students how they study, you'll probably hear the same answer. They reread the chapter, they highlight, they review notes, and they cram the night before a test. It feels productive, but the research says it barely sticks. Days later, most students have forgotten what they crammed. Decades of cognitive science point to a few strategies that do work. First, retrieval practice, pulling information out of your head instead of just rereading it. Second, spaced repetition, revisiting the material at growing intervals, right before you'd typically forget it. And third, interleaving, which is mixing different problems together instead of drilling one kind at a time. Now, the problem isn't that teachers don't know this, it's that doing it for every student, every day, is impossible to manage by hand. And that's why we built Habident. Habident is built around your classroom, and you're in control. Write your own questions, or generate a set of questions with AI in seconds. Assign them to your class so you roll out the material at the pace you choose. Monitor your class with the Teacher Cockpit, which displays every student in your class, and in real time, it shows you what question they are on, how many questions they have left, and who's stuck. And you get reporting that you can actually act on, which concepts the class is nailing and which ones to reteach tomorrow. For students, it's a simple daily routine, just a few minutes in class each day. They open the class and see exactly what's due today. They answer one question at a time with instant feedback, and our AI grades short answer responses, so students get a real explanation, not just a red X. Miss one? It comes back sooner. Nail it, and Habident schedules it further out, so they only spend time on what they are about to forget. And the day's questions come mixed together, different topics and different formats, so students aren't just repeating one thing on autopilot. That's interleaving, and it's built right into every session. It's low stakes, no grades are on the line, so students focus on learning, not on the score. In summary, Habident is teacher-controlled, low stakes, a daily in-class routine, feedback-rich, and it includes reporting you can actually use. With Habident, your students use effective study strategies where learning actually sticks. It's just 10 minutes a day, and the science does the heavy lifting. Try Habident free with your class today at habident.com.